Ya vi que estás aquí, tan cerquita de mí.
Hola amigos, hi friends, welcome back to SpanLingua. In today's lesson, you'll be learning how to count from 1 to 20 en español. ¿Estás listo? Are you ready? Vamos, let's go! 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 Muy bien, amigos! Now you know how to count from 1 to 20 in Spanish. You can practice counting things around the house, vehicles on the road, or even your fingers and toes. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Until next time, hasta luego!
Más tarde vamos a enloquecer y si